This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskill. Charming home located in the desirable Lennox neighborhood of Norfolk. This property features a spacious floor plan with an open concept living and dining area, a well-appointed kitchen, and a versatile bonus space on the main level ideal for a home office or playroom. The second floor offers 3 bedrooms, including a generous primary suite. Outside, enjoy a beautifully landscaped backyard with a deck, perfect for relaxing or entertaining, plus a detached 1-car garage. October 18, 2024. For more information, review the details below.